Let's check what factors a bank consider to make you eligible for a mortgage. So the first factor is your annual household income. Higher your annual household income is, more will be your eligibility to get a mortgage. The second important factor is the down payment. Whether you are putting 20% down or less than 20% will determine whether it's going to be a conventional mortgage or an insured mortgage. Then the next factor is interest rate, because here comes the concept of a stress test. The bank doesn't make you qualify on the interest rate that you are getting from a lender. It will make you qualify on a rate that is your actual contracted rate plus 2% or 5.25%, whichever is higher. So your actual mortgage payment is 3,552, but the qualifying payment will be higher, that is 4,316. Why? The lender wants to see whether you can afford the increased payments if interest rates increase in the future. So next important factor is your amortization period. If you are putting less than 20%, the maximum it can go up to 25 years. And if you are putting more than 20%, you can go up to 30 years as well. Next important factor is your housing cost, that we call as GDS, which includes your principal plus interest payment, your property tax, your utilities, or condo fees, if any. If you are putting less than 20% down, this GDS can never exceed 39%. Your credit score is another important factor which is used to determine your mortgage eligibility. If your credit score is more than 680, then this GDS can be extended up to 39% or more if you are putting more than 20% down. But in case your credit score is less than 660 or 680, then there are chances that lenders might restrict this GDS to 35%. So next important factor is your monthly debts. Whatever the monthly obligations you have affect your eligibility as well. So if you see this TDS, that is total debt service, which includes your monthly housing cost plus your monthly debts, it cannot exceed 44%. If you want to calculate your eligibility with the help of this calculator, comment planner and I will share the link to get one for yourself.